It's a 2017 Hyundai Sonata. In a world of stress and hurry, the Sonata offers a world of calm and tough decisions made easy. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: Bluetooth, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, inline 4-cylinder engine, manual telescoping steering column, selective service internet access, external memory control, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto allow you to use apps from your phone through your vehicle's infotainment system. Car and Driver proclaims the Sonata once again is among the most stylish cars in the midsize class. Hyundai's attention to detail means a better driving experience for you. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.